Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. Welcome to our July new products video. Our first new product is this transmission stand. This is a mount. It fits the 73 to 79 Ford pickup, 78, 79 Bronco. So if you have a Ford truck or pickup with the four-wheel drive would have a married transfer case, sticker automatic are the same, and a two-wheel drive. So what this does, all Ford trucks, other than the 250s and 350s with the divorce transfer case, have a cross member that goes across frame rail to frame rail. Well, this sits right on top. This was originally a stamped steel part. We've had this reproduced. It's a heavy duty steel construction made here in the United States, all welded. Even put the little bolt retainer in the bottom right there. So basically this is slotted so you can adjust it. So it sits on the cross member. Then you put your trans mount on top of here with the rubber and steel for vibration. And it bolts up into the intermediate housing on a four-wheel drive or the back of the transmission on a two-wheel drive. Brand new for the 73 to 79 Ford pickup and 78, 79 Ford Bronco. And our next new products for the 87 to 96 Ford Bronco, if you have equipped with a rear outside tire rack. So what this is replaces the rod that goes between the release handle and the mechanism to release the tire rack so you can swing it open to open your tailgate. So we have this is made here in the United States, stainless steel construction, bolts, got hind joints on each end. So basically you drill out a couple holes, mount this up. What's nice about this is the left-hand, right-hand thread. So you don't have to adjust it, you just turn it to get the perfect tension to open it or close it. Again, this replaces the rod from the 87 to 96 Bronco exterior tire rack handle. Again, stainless steel construction made here in the United States. And our next new product is lower steering column cover. This fits the 92 to 96 Ford Bronco and the 92 to 97 F-Series pickup. Made by Carpenter Industries, molded here in the United States, injected molded, it's grained and everything just like the original. It's got the storage on the one side. This is your opening for your fuse box panel right over here. What's nice about this, made in the United States, and this is the opal gray, which they used in the later trucks, but this is paintable. So if you have a mocha truck, ruby red or royal blue, you can just paint it and pop it right in place. Brand new, made in the United States, lower steering column cover for the 92 to 96 Bronco and 92 to 97 F-Series pickup. And our next new product is lower shock mount. We've had this reproduced. This again, made in the United States, heavy duty steel construction, had them anodized so you can just bolt them right in place. This fits the 78, 79 Ford Bronco, 77 to 79 Ford pickup, four-wheel drive, 150. So what Ford did, they staggered the shocks in 78, 79. So on the driver's front, they had to figure out a way to mount the shocks. So they cast the radius arm cap bigger and came up with this device here. So basically, you take the two bolts out and there's your bracket right there. Slide them in, two bolts, slide the shock mount on, it bolts right on. This came stock on all 78, 79 Broncos and 78, 79 F-150 pickups, four-wheel drive. Then if you wanted a quad, we also have the passenger side. If you want to put quad shocks on your truck. So this is the passenger side and this is the driver's side. Brand new, lower shock mounts, lower front shock mounts for the 78, 79 Bronco and 78, 79 F-150. And for our July web truck of the month, we have Eric Dale's beautiful 77 Ford Bronco. We filmed it at Bronco Takeover last year at the golf course. It was really nice. Thank you for your support and hope to see you again next month.
It's a 1977. We bought it, disassembled. All the pieces were there, but we started it February of 2020, right before COVID hit. We worked on it through COVID, 2021, finished it up May of 21. Got it on the road. So we just hit 700 miles. We have a 347 stroker, fuel injected, dynoed 490 horsepower. Other than that, we've upgraded all the axles. We went through everything. So powder coated the frame, all the upgraded axles, drive shafts, complete frame off. kind of did it to the old school. We kept it the appearance of a 77, but wanted some new technology, better features. It's got a 3.5-inch lift on it with 33s, so nothing crazy, but enough to still have some fun and still be a Bronco. The interior was my decision. We wanted to keep the old seats. We wanted to keep the brown, keep some of the traditional 70s Bronco stuff. The color was picked out from my son, who's here, my 13-year-old. That was his decision to pick out color and rims. So he's like, I want black wheels and I want the Caribbean turquoise. So they made that decision, but I made the decision on keeping the original seats instead of going with new stuff. Okay. We wanted still the look of a 77. I like 77s because I like the flip lids for the gas fuel tanks. It's something that I've always liked. Nothing against the the caps, but the flip lids, when you know it's a 77, you can look at it and go, yeah, that's a 77. So we've had multiple 77s, bought and sold them. As my kids have gotten older, they want to get back into it, so we built this, and then working on building a second one now. It's a sunshine vehicle only, but we took it out on Silver Lake, out on the dunes last year when we were up here, for Bronco takeover. Obviously, we're kind of easy on it, but we still use it, have fun. Took it out, we drive it up and down the road, no problem. It's not a trailer queen. We do trailer it, but we want to drive it.